How you doing? Hey guys, guess what? It's a great day to make some pesto. So what did I do there? I took 3 small cloves of garlic, half of a teaspoon, maybe a fat quarter of a teaspoon of some Celtic sea salt, which is great. I've got 3 good batches here of basil, organic basil. It's gonna be great. I always like to put a little cracked pepper in there. That's just me. You know what else I did is I did the zest of a lemon. So I do about a half of a zest of a lemon. And I got my pine nuts. Just got those from Costco. I've got some extra virgin Italian olive oil. We're gonna have some fun. So what I'm gonna do is blend this right here. Okay, I've got my salt, my pepper, my garlic. We're good to go. Now I'm gonna do my lemon zest. So I'm gonna hit this with my lemon zest. Yeah, your lemon's gonna give you a little bit of a bright snap. It's gonna be great. Now let's do a good fat 2 tablespoons of pine nuts in there. 2.5. Let's get crazy. We'll go 2.5, 2.5. Oh, that looks good right there. And that's beautiful right there. We got a nice paste in there with nice flavors. Now it's basil time. So I'm gonna take the basil. I just wanna take those stems off and I'm gonna load all of these in there. I got 3 of them in there. So guys, I just did a really quick blend of the first box. So it looks like it fills it up, but so after each box, I just put it in there. So I got 2 more to go. Okay guys, there you go. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'll tell you, the aroma right there is awesome. So what do I have to add? I have to add my olive oil and, oh yeah, you could do Pecorino Romano or Parmesan Reggiano. So I think I'm gonna do a Parmesan Reggiano. So what I got there, probably about 3 to 4 tablespoons. So I'm gonna put that in there and then my olive oil. Now in our olive oil expert, I'm gonna go about 4 tablespoons. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna put my cheese in. Okay guys, I open it up, there's an aroma explosion. I added 4 more tablespoons of olive oil. It's just a little bit too thick. I'm gonna hit it 1 more time and then we're done. Can you stand it? Can you get the aroma of that? Oh man, that's good right there. Okay, guess what we're gonna do here? We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out right now. Listen, somebody's gotta do it. I gotta make sure it's okay. I wanna make sure it's good. Oh man. First off, the aroma is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, it's just basil through your brain. It's absolutely delicious. It tastes like summer and Thanksgiving all at the same time. And then I've got the salt, the pepper, the garlic. The garlic is absolutely perfect. The pine nuts, phenomenal. Get a little bit of that zest. I love that little zest. Man, with the olive oil, oh baby, that's good. Guys, thanks for joining me. Quick way to make pesto in your kitchen for dinner. We're gonna add it to some quinoa, or you could add it to some gnocchis, which is fantastic. Different types of pasta. Man, don't forget, like us, share us, subscribe us. Talk to you soon. Joe Borio, Cook at Italia with Joe.